Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious salmon bowl. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, the salmon. Select fresh, high-quality fillets, ideally around 6 ounces each. Pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect crispy skin. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a bright squeeze of lemon juice. You can also add a pinch of garlic powder or paprika for an extra layer of flavor. Now, let's cook our salmon to perfection. You have a few excellent options. For a crispy skin, pan-searing is fantastic. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes per side over medium-high heat. Alternatively, you can bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. An air fryer also works wonderfully, at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for around 10 minutes. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit for safety and optimal texture. With our salmon cooking, let's build the foundation of our bowl. A warm base of fluffy white rice or nutritious brown rice is ideal. Next, layer in some vibrant, fresh greens such as baby spinach or a spring mix. For added texture and nutrients, incorporate sliced cucumber, shredded carrots, or a handful of edamame. Don't forget to add some creamy avocado slices. They provide a wonderful richness and healthy fats to your delicious creation. Finally, let's add those irresistible finishing touches and a delicious sauce. A drizzle of homemade spicy mayo or a savory soy ginger dressing will elevate your bowl. For a delightful crunch and nutty flavor, sprinkle generously with toasted sesame seeds. Freshly chopped green onions or cilantro add a burst of color and herbaceous notes. A final squeeze of fresh lime juice can brighten all the flavors, bringing your perfect salmon bowl together beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.